Okay, today I am going to continue with our economics lesson and build off what we talked about in lesson one, which was the concept of scarcity. And we ended by saying that we were going to have to make some decisions. And how do we go about making those decisions? Because as we know, we can't have everything that we want in life. So today I'm going to talk to you about something called opportunity cost. It's a very simple concept, but it is also very, very powerful. And the main concept is for opportunity cost is what you give up in order to have or do something else. Okay, it can also be called the value of the next best thing. So what are you willing to give up in order to do something else? Okay, so you can't have everything. So we're going to put it in a real simple term here, a real simple example. We're going to use the concept of time because we'd only have so many hours in a day. So we are going to use an example that is somewhat relevant here. We're going to bring in the fearsome Katniss. Okay. So we know Katniss Everdeen from the Hunger Games is out. She's hunting. She's trying to find food for her family. And she can't have everything. So we're going to make a little table here. A little too big. And we're going to see what Katniss can do here. So Katniss can hunt for two things. She can hunt for rabbits or she can hunt for berries. Okay, so if her family says we just it's all we want is rabbits. We are big rabbit eaters. It's all we want. Spend all of your time hunting rabbits. Forget about the berries. Maybe Katniss can catch 10 rabbits in the time that she has available for hunting. Okay, there's only so much daylight. She has other things to do, so she can catch 10 rabbits. But if she does that, they get 0 berries. Okay, so they get none. They have 0 berries. They're eating nothing but rabbit. Okay, so maybe that works for a little while, and then they say, you know what, we're getting a little bit sick of the rabbit. We'd like to mix in some berries. So can you bring us some berries too? Well, sure I can. So I can bring you, let's say, 10 bushels of berries, but I'm going to have to give up. I can only get 8 rabbits at that point. Okay, so just if we stopped right there, scenario B, or what I just talked about there, the opportunity cost to get 10 berries, 10 bushels of berries, would be giving up 2 rabbits. It's 10 minus 8. So if we continue down, and they said, that's not enough. We need more berries. We love berries. So we're going to go with 20 bushels of berries. But now I can only get you 6 rabbits, okay, and so forth. So if we go on down the line and say we are strict vegetarians here, we are not eating any rabbits, just get us berries. Now maybe I can get you 100 bushels of berries, okay, but we get no rabbits. Okay, so we are not going to hunt rabbits at all. Okay, so now we look at the opportunity cost in each situation. So, to very put simply, like I said in the beginning, okay, the opportunity cost of going from 0 berries to 10 bushels is 2 rabbits, and down the line. Okay, so um, going to 20 bushels of berries, the opportunity cost would be, if we started from 10, would be 4. If we were at 8 and we went down to 6, it would be another 2. Okay, so is another 2 rabbits. Okay, so again, that's just using the Katniss Everdeen, our Hunger Games example, that she only has so much time. Okay, she only has so many arrows and so forth, so she can't be out hunting all the time. She has, a limited amount of time. Remember, we talked in lesson one, we have limited resources. So in this case, it's a limit of time. She can't add more time to the day. She can't add more time to what she allots for hunting. She has other things to do. So this is the situation she's faced with. So it's much like we are faced with in terms of time. You can only do so many things during the day. You can only take so many classes. You can only do so many things after school and on the weekends. So you have to make a choice. Okay, are your friends going out to dinner on a Friday night, or are they going to the football game? You can't do both. So which are you willing to give up? Okay, are you willing to give up the football game and go to dinner, or are you willing to give up the dinner and go to the football? Vice versa. So it's again what you are willing to give up in order to have something else or do something else, because you can't have it all. So sometimes we don't realize it, but that's how we make those decisions. Okay, what is the value of the next best thing, and do I really want that? Okay, and then it just helps us make decisions. So it's something that's in our daily life, but we just don't think about it. But we make those decisions countless times in each day. So that is opportunity cost in a nutshell.